Okay, so this is the fourth lesson, and in today's lesson we're going to be looking at some more scales and revising over everything that we've gone through and just making it a bit more perfect, perfecting it slightly, and then we're going to be going over the piece in a little bit more detail and adding some more chords onto it and just perfecting that slightly so that we can finish for our last lesson, which is next week. Okay, so what have we learned so far then? So, can you tell me the clefs and the hands that they are played with?
Yep, so you have treble,
Yep.
which is your right hand, and you have bass, which is your left hand.
Okay, and then what does a time signature mean?
It is the break, it's the beat in the bar.
Yeah, how many beats in a bar? So if it was 4/4, how many beats would there be?
4 beats in a bar.
4 beats in a bar, yeah, okay. And then, what does F mean? In dynamics, what does F mean? Means loud, yeah? F means loud, forte. P means quiet, opposite. Yeah?
Yeah.
P means quiet, opposite. Okay, so can you play me some scales? So
Yeah.
can you play me the C scale? Go back or down again. Brilliant. Okay, can you play me the G scale? And back down again. Fabulous. And then can you play me the A scale? Back down again. Brilliant. Okay, so that's really good. Okay, so can you name me some of the notes and their values?
Yeah, the crotchet
Crotchet.
is that one.
Yeah.
No.
The D coloured in, yeah?
Yeah. And then the other one is the
Minim, yeah.
yeah, that's worth 2. And then the one before that was 1. So
Yeah, and then what else?
and then the coloured in one with the flick, that's on say half.
Yeah.
And then the one with the 2 flicks on the end is
Yeah, but what are they both called though?
oh sorry. One's the 2 flicks is semi is the quaver, and then the other one's quaver.
Yeah, brilliant. Okay, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just have a look at the piece. So last week we added F chord, a C chord, and we also added a D chord and an A chord. Okay, so the D chord we said was D, F sharp, and an A. And from the A chord we said it was A, C sharp, and an E. Yeah. So we're gonna just play bars 1 to 9, okay, with the chords that we've just placed in. So do you remember what the chords were?
What's this one? So DFA.
D, F sharp,
A sharp.
D, F sharp, A. What's an F chord?
A C.
F, A, C.
Sharp.
No, there's no sharps. In the F major chord, there's no sharps in it, okay?
Yeah.
So what about a C major chord? Remember, it's the first, third, and fifth note.
Which is C, G.
C, E, G, yeah. Okay, so can you just play me bars 1 to 9 then, please? Don't forget your C, E, G, the chord. F chord. G. And then your A chord with your A. A. And then remember it's your A, C sharp, E. Right? Yep, with your A. So A, and then C with your C chord.
Is that one there?
Yeah, that, yeah. No,
Oh, this one, sorry.
C,
so obviously this week, have you practiced a lot or not really?
Not really.
Not really? Okay, so what you need to do is we need to carry on working on those scales, okay, and on those chords. So obviously A, C, E, A, C sharp and E, and D, F and F sharp and A, okay? So can you play me those two chords for me? So D, F sharp, A. Can you play that chord? Okay, and can you play me E, C sharp and E? A, C sharp and E, sorry. Yeah. Okay, so what they should do is they just add a little bit onto the piece, but because you're trying to find your fingers, you're playing them really hard. You need to be soft, okay, because this piece is in MF, it's in moderately loud, okay, so you need to play it slightly loud, but a little bit softer, okay, so not so harsh on the keys. Okay, so I want you to play the whole piece through, okay, and add in some of the chords that you know. So where there's an F, add an F chord now and again. Where there's a C, add a C chord now and again. Where there's an A, add an A chord. You don't have to add.
That's the F.
That's F chord.
That's the C chord.
No.
That's further down here. Oh, that's the C chord there.
That's C chord. And then I have to play it with this, yeah.
And F is that one.
Yeah, so just play those two chords when you can. Yeah, when you can with the piece. Okay, so off you go, play the piece for me. That was really good, okay? So you added in some F chords and you added in some C chords. Did you see that flowed a little bit better? I know you got a little bit panicky at one point, but it flowed a bit better. So we just need to add in now some A chords and some D chords, okay? And then that's it. That's all the chords we're going to add in. Okay? So your A chord is what? Your A chord is what?
A, C.
A, C.
Oh,
A, C sharp, E.
So, did it here or down here?
Wherever you want.
A, C. So these three.
Yep. And then what about your D chord?
Does it be like?
Then, yeah, you're not meant to hit it as hard. Not like that.
Just,
Yeah, like that. Okay, and what about your D chord?
so it's D, F, A.
D, F,
Sorry,
F sharp.
so it's that one.
No. Yeah, that's it. Okay, so that's kind of the thing that we've got to keep practicing on is our chords, okay? And they will start to flow. But obviously you're playing both hands at the same time. So you're going to get a little bit muddled up with your fingers, okay? But you need to make sure that it flows. So this week you need to make sure that you're practicing the chords and the piece, okay?